Was it easy? Was it easy? It was very easy. It was very easy. Would you do that for me? Would you do that for me? Yes, I can do that for you. Yes, I can do that for you. Did it hurt? Did it hurt? It hurt a little. It hurt a little. Which one did you choose? Which one did you choose? I chose the red one. I chose the red one. Who will you send? Who will you send? I'll send Kate. I'll send Kate. Where were they? Where were they? They were at the park. They were at the park. Will it work? Will it work? Yes, it should work. Yes, it should work. When did you go? When did you go? I left a few minutes ago. I left a few minutes ago. How does this program work? How does this program work? It edits and makes beautiful videos. It edits and makes beautiful videos. Did he go? Did he go? Yes, he left already. Yes, he left already. Can they come? Can they come? No, they can't come. No, they can't come. Could you ask them? Could you ask them? Okay, I'll ask them. Okay, I'll ask them. Who said that? Who said that? She said that. She said that. Would you like to eat this cake? Would you like to eat this cake? I would love to eat the cake. I would love to eat the cake. What can you do? What can you do? I can sing and dance. I can sing and dance. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine. Whose clothes are these? Whose clothes are these? These clothes are mine. These clothes are mine. Where's my school bag? Where's my school bag? It's under your desk. It's under your desk. Will you go to work tomorrow? Will you go to work tomorrow? I won't go to work tomorrow. I won't go to work tomorrow. Could you ask her? Could you ask her? No, I can't ask her. No, I can't ask her. Is it too late? Is it too late? Yes, it's too late. Yes, it's too late. Was it finished? Was it finished? No, it's not finished. No, it's not finished. Would you do it again? Would you do it again? No, I wouldn't do it again. No, I wouldn't do it again. Did they finish the homework? Did they finish the homework? Yes, they finished all the homework. Yes, they finished all the homework. Which way is the library? Which way is the library? It's that way. It's that way. Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? I talked to my brother. I talked to my brother. Is this correct? Is this correct? No, it's incorrect. No, it's incorrect. What's that? What's that? That's a penguin. That's a penguin. Can she come back to work? Can she come back to work? She can't come back to work yet. She can't come back to work yet. How do you feel? How do you feel? I feel pretty good. I feel pretty good. Did you reply back? Did you reply back? No, not yet. No, not yet. Has the movie started? Has the movie started? Yes, it's already started. Yes, it's already started. Who took my wallet? Who took my wallet? That person over there did. That person over there did. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. Can you tell them to be quiet? Can you tell them to be quiet? Hey, be quiet. Hey, be quiet. Will you show it to me? Will you show it to me? Here, have a look. Here, have a look. When did the package arrive? When did the package arrive? It arrived yesterday. It arrived yesterday. How are they? How are they? They aren't good. They aren't good. Did she call you? Did she call you? Yes, she called me. Yes, she called me. Where was Kate? Where was Kate? She was at the office. She was at the office. Who did you ask? Who did you ask? I asked my teacher. I asked my teacher. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? Please turn down the music. Please turn down the music. What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food? Sushi is my favorite food. Sushi is my favorite food. How is your wife? How is your wife? She's fine. She is fine. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Japan. I'm from Japan. Will you stay a little longer? Will you stay a little longer? Yes, I can stay a little longer. Yes, I can stay a little longer. Can we talk later? Can we talk later? No, we can't. I'm busy later. No, we can't. I'm busy later. Shall we go? Shall we go? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Can you see the sign? Can you see the sign? No, I can't. It's too far. No, I can't. It's too far.